For over 2 decades, if you had a question, you knew where to go. Google. It's been the undisputed king of search, our digital oracle, the gateway to the internet. But what if I told you that the very foundation of how we find information is about to be completely rewritten? The era of typing a few keywords and scrolling through 10 blue links is coming to an end. We are standing at the dawn of a new age, an age powered by artificial intelligence, and it's going to change everything. So, is Google's reign over, or is it just getting started? Let's dive into the future of search. The biggest game changer on the horizon is, without a doubt, artificial intelligence. We're moving away from the simple transactional searches of the past and into a world of conversational, intelligent dialogue with our search engines. Think about it. Instead of typing best restaurants near me, you could simply ask, I'm looking for a cozy Italian place for a date night tonight. Something with good vegetarian options that's not too expensive. The search engine, powered by incredibly advanced large language models, or LLMs, won't just give you a list. It will understand the context, the nuance, the intent behind your question. It will act like a personal assistant, offering tailored suggestions, maybe even showing you menus and helping you book a table, all within a single, seamless conversation. This isn't science fiction. It's the direction companies like Google and its competitors are sprinting towards, but the AI revolution doesn't stop with text. Get ready for the explosion of multimodal search. The future isn't just about what you type or what you say, it's also about what you see. Imagine you're walking down the street and see a plant you don't recognize. Instead of trying to describe it with words, green pointy leaves with small purple flowers, you'll just point your phone's camera at it. The AI will instantly identify the plant, tell you its name, how to care for it, and maybe even where you can buy one. Or let us say you see a piece of furniture in a friend's house that you absolutely love. A quick snap with your phone and the search engine will find you that exact item or similar styles at different price points. This ability to search using a combination of images, voice, and text creates a far more intuitive and natural way to interact with the digital world. It breaks down the barriers between our physical reality and the vast information network of the internet, making search feel less like a tool and more like an extension of our own curiosity. As search becomes more intelligent, it also becomes more personal. The future of search is a future tailored specifically to you. AI will learn your habits, your preferences, and your history to deliver results that are uniquely relevant to your life. For instance, if you're a professional chef who frequently searches for advanced culinary techniques, a search for how to make bread will yield very different results for you than for a novice baker. The engine will know to show you articles on sourdough starters and hydration levels, while the beginner gets a simple, step-by-step recipe. This hyper-personalization promises a much more efficient and satisfying search experience, cutting through the noise to give you exactly what you need, when you need it, sometimes even before you realize you need it. But this level of personalization raises a critical question. What about our privacy? In an age where our search engine knows us better than our closest friends, protecting our personal data is more important than ever. We've all had that slightly creepy experience of talking about something and then seeing an ad for it moments later. As AI gets more sophisticated, the potential for misuse of our data grows. Thankfully, this is a major focus for both regulators and tech companies. We're seeing a global push for stronger data protection, with regulations like Europe's GDPR leading the way. In response, companies like Google are being forced to rethink how they handle user data. They're developing new, privacy-preserving technologies, like the Privacy Sandbox, which aims to phase out invasive tracking cookies and find new ways to deliver relevant ads and content without compromising individual privacy. The future of search will be a delicate balancing act, providing a deeply personalized experience while simultaneously building a more private and secure web for everyone. Your data is valuable, and you should have control over how it's used. With all these changes, the world of search engine optimization, or SEO, is being turned on its head. For years, the game was about keywords. Businesses and creators would stuff their websites with specific terms they thought people would search for, hoping to climb the ranks on Google. That era is over. In the new world of AI-driven search, the focus is shifting dramatically from keywords to user intent. The search engine's goal is no longer just to match the words in your query to the words on a page. It's to understand the problem you're trying to solve or the question you are truly asking. This means that for creators and businesses, the new currency is high-quality, human-centered content. You can't trick the algorithm anymore. The way to win is to create genuinely helpful, authoritative, and engaging content that truly serves the user's needs. The emphasis is on expertise, trustworthiness, and providing real value. If your content is the best answer to a person's question, the AI will find it and recommend it, regardless of how many keywords you've used. For the first time in a long time, Google's throne is also looking a little less secure. The AI revolution has opened the door for a new wave of competitors and specialized search engines. We're seeing the rise of conversational AI platforms that are challenging the traditional search model head-on. Furthermore, a new generation of users is growing up with different habits. Younger audiences are increasingly turning to platforms like TikTok and Instagram for discovery and recommendations, using them as de facto search engines for everything from recipes to travel tips. We're also seeing the growth of niche search engines that cater to specific needs, whether it's a scientific research database, a privacy-focused search tool, or a platform dedicated to ethical shopping. This diversification is healthy. It means more choice for users and more competition, which ultimately drives innovation. The future search landscape won't be a monopoly. It will be a vibrant ecosystem of different tools for different jobs. So where does all this leave us? We're on the brink of the most significant transformation in search since the invention of Google itself. The future is intelligent, conversational, and deeply personal, powered by AI that understands us in ways we're only just beginning to comprehend. It's a future where we can search with our voice, our cameras, and our ideas, breaking down the barriers between the physical and digital worlds. This will also force a necessary conversation about privacy, giving us more control over our digital footprint. For businesses and creators, the old tricks are dead. The new path to success is creating authentic, high-value content that puts the user first. And finally, the landscape is becoming more diverse and competitive than ever before. It's an exciting, slightly uncertain, but incredibly promising future. The way we find information is changing forever, and it's a revolution we'll all be a part of. Thanks so much for watching. What are your predictions for the future of search? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.